The next question is, the rate constant for the reaction is 1.5 10 to the power 7 second inverse at 50 degree and 4.5 10 to the power 7 second inverse at 100 degree. Calculate its activation energy. तो K1 इनिशियल रेट कांस्टेंट है 1.5 10 to the power 7 second inverse. The temperature T1 is 50 degree. That means 50 plus 273 Kelvin, which is equal to 323 Kelvin. And K2 is 4.5 10 to the power 7 second inverse at the temperature 100 degree Celsius, which is equal to 373 Kelvin. EA find out करना है. I hope Arrhenius equation we all remember. Log K2 by K1 is equal to 2.303 sorry, it's EA upon 2.303 R 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2. This is the Arrhenius equation that we have. Log K2 upon K1 is equal to E upon 2.303 R 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2. तो log K2 दे रखा है 4.5 10 की पावर 7, K1 दे रखा है 1.5 10 to the power 7, which is equal to EA we don't know. It's 2.303 into R is given 8.314. Substituting temperature has to be in Kelvin, so it is 373 minus 323 divide by 373 into 323. LCM ले लिया यहाँ पर, so we get this equation like this. So this is log 3. So log 3 is 0.4771, which is EA. इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 19.147, डिफरेंस इज 50 एंड व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई 323 इंटू 373. सो EA क्या होगा? EA इज log 3, that is 4.4771 into 19.147 into 323 into 373 divide by 50. So now the activation energy that we get is 22,012.575 joule per mole, or we can write 22.01 kilojoule per mole. So this is the activation energy. Now the next question is the rate constant for the reaction at 500 Kelvin and 700 Kelvin. Rate constant दे रखा है. Temperature T1 500 Kelvin. K1 is equal to 0.02 second inverse. And at T2, which is 700 Kelvin, the rate constant given is 0.07 second inverse. You need to find the value of EA. So Arrhenius equation, log K2 upon log K2 by K1 is equal to EA upon 2.303 R 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2. So substituting the value, log K2 is 0.07, K1 is 0.02. EA we have to find 2.303 into 8.314, 1 upon 500 minus 1 upon 700. So this, when you solve, we can take on the RHS LCM. So here you will get log 7 by 2 as activation energy into 19.147 into 200 divided by 500 into 700, and EA is equal to log 7 by 2 into 19.147 into 500 into 700 divided by 200. So on simplification you will get 18,230.4 joule per mole. This is the answer. The next is, you have the activation energy for the reaction of HI. तो HI का activation energy आपको given है, ठीक है, and its activation energy is 209.5 kilojoule per mole at 581 Kelvin. You need to calculate the fraction of molecule having the energy equal to or greater than activation energy. So fraction of molecules find out करना है, and fraction of molecules having energy greater than or equal to activation energy is x, which is equal to e to the power minus Ea upon RT. So Ea is equal to 209.5 into 1000 joule per mole, and the temperature is 581 Kelvin, and R is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. So x is equal to e to the power minus Ea into 1000 divided by R into T, 8.314 into 581. E is 2.17, that is, when you solve you will get 1.4597 10 to the power minus 19 as a fraction of molecules. The next question is calculate the rate constant for a first order reaction and all the reactant and product are gases. Initial time 0, pressure is 0.5 and at 100 seconds the pressure is 0.512 atmosphere. ठीक है, अब एक जनरल चीज़ याद रखना, जब भी गैसेस फेज में रिएक्शन होती है देन हाउ डू वी डू सच रिएक्शंस. इट इज़ N2O5 कन्वर्टिंग टू N2O4 plus half O2. All are gas. When the time t is 0, let the pressure be because only of Pi, and these are not there, so no pressure because of them. But after time t, the pressure of N2O5 कम हो जाएगा x से, क्योंकि N2O5 का अमाउंट कम हो रहा है तो प्रेशर भी कम होगा. N2O4 का प्रेशर x से बढ़ गया और इसका हाफ ऑफ x से बढ़ गया. ठीक है, तो टोटल प्रेशर कितना है? टोटल प्रेशर टाइम t पे अब कितना बचा? दैट इज़ PT, which is equal to Pi minus x plus half of x. So that is initial Pi plus half of x. So you get the total pressure as P total is equal to Pi plus half of x, or I can tell x is equal to 2 times P total minus P initial. यानी कि अगर टोटल प्रेशर और इनिशियल प्रेशर पता है तो हम x निकाल सकते हैं. Therefore what is the pressure of N2O5? N2O5 का प्रेशर कितना है? Pi minus x at the time t, which is Pi minus 2PT minus 2Pi. So on simplifying you will get this as ये 2Pi था माइनस ऑफ x, तो ये माइनस ऑफ माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. सो 3Pi minus 2PT is the partial pressure of N2O5. N2O5 का ये प्रेशर है इनिशियल, 3 times of initial minus 2 times of total. So now K is equal to 2.303 by T log of Pi initial upon partial pressure of N2O5 at the time T. So K is equal to 2.303 by T log Pi upon 3Pi minus 2PT, and on substituting the values we can get this as 2.303 by T log initial, what was initial pressure? 0.5, 100 seconds पे 0.512 था, तो partial pressure at 100 seconds, that is time t, at time t which is 100, partial pressure is 3 times of initial, 3 times of 0.5 minus 2 times of 0.512. So you get this as 0.476. So it's 0.476, and on simplifying now you will get 4.99 10 to the power minus 4 second inverse at the rate constant. Now the next question is similar to it. You have the rate constant for a first order reaction to be found. SOCl2, SO2, Cl2 gas decomposing to give SO2 and Cl2, all are gas. Initial time 0, pressure is 0.5 and at time 100 second the pressure is 0.6. You need to also calculate the rate of the reaction when the pressure total is 0.65 atm. So there are two things to find: the rate constant and the rate when when you are having the total pressure is 0.65 atm. So now writing the reaction, it is SO2Cl2 gas giving SO2 and Cl2. Now at initial time T0 total pressure is Pi, ये दोनों थे नहीं. टाइम T पे इसका प्रेशर कम होने लगा और इनका प्रेशर इंक्रीज होने लगा. तो टोटल प्रेशर कितना है? दैट इज Pi minus x plus x plus x, that is Pi plus x. So x is total pressure minus initial pressure. So the pressure of SO2Cl2 is Pi minus x, that is P of SO2Cl2 is equal to Pi minus Pi Pt minus Pi. So it is 2 Pi minus Pt. So K is equal to 2.303 by T log Pi upon 2 Pi minus Pt. Time is 100 second. Pi is 0.5 atm. Pt is 0.6 atm. So K is equal to 2.303 by 100 log 0.5 divided by 2 times of 0.5 minus 0.6. So simplification when you do, you will get this as 2.231 10 to the power minus 3 second inverse. Now the second part is when the total pressure is 0.65 atm, you need to find the rate. ठीक है, 0.65 atm है, इनिशियल अभी भी 0.5 atm है, और अब x कितना है? Pt minus Pi, which is 0.65 minus 0.5, that is 0.15 atm. So pressure of SO2Cl2 at time t is Pi minus of x, that is 0.65 minus 0.15 0.5. Pi तो इनिशियली 0.5 है, 0.5 minus 0.15 which is equal to 0.35 atm. This is the partial pressure of SO2Cl2. 0.5 minus 0.15, that is 0.35. ठीक है, तो rate is equal to rate constant into the partial pressure of SO2Cl2, which is equal to K into Pi minus x, which is equal to 2.2318 10 to the power minus 3 into 0.35, and this you will get as 7.81 10 to the power minus 4 atmosphere second inverse as the rate. This is a very important question asked in board exam.